Hello there, this is Mike Brown from Integral Marketing, bringing you affiliate tips educating beginners and intermediates. And in the last video, I was talking to you about your automated marketing machine, which consists of your lead magnet, which is a piece that you've created that is good enough in content to be relevant, and your opt-in page, where under the lure of your lead magnet, you have got this would-be subscriber to come and put his email address into the box that's on the page, and then they get taken to the bridge page where they are thanked and given the download URL for the free product in all probability, and you will have another educational piece of content in the form most likely of a video, which serves as really both a piece of education and a way of introducing yourself to your audience, and a means of communicating your first proper pitch to them. So it's actually a very valuable place, the bridge page, and you can do all sorts of things with it. But what I'm going to describe here is sort of fairly basic. In as much as I just touched briefly on what you're going to do in the video, which really is their first opportunity to get to know you a bit. And once they get to know you, they may think, oh, this guy's pretty straight up, or oh no, I don't like him, or you may be able to convince them anyway that you have enough authority in the subject to be worth pursuing as authority. And throughout the course of the video, you're just going to teach them a bit more, continue to tell them more about you, but you're also going to move the narrative forward to a place where you're in a position to tell them about the initial product and the product line of the funnel you're promoting, and soften them up a little bit so that it sounds quite an enticing purchase. And at the end of the video, you'll give them the place where they can go and buy the initial front-end product if they feel so minded. Now, what is less relevant here is that they go and buy the front-end product of the sales funnel you're promoting than actually just warming them up to the idea of it, because throughout the course of your emails, which are going to be going out on a pretty regular basis, let's say daily, to anybody who's just arrived on your list, you're going to be sending them a mixture of content, information about yourselves, stories about yourself, marketing stories, and pitches, all of which will initially be leading to this first front-end product. And that's really it. The reason I wanted to sort of go back a bit and refresh your memory was that I'm going to talk a bit more about the autoresponder today. Now, in the normal run of things, your first batch of emails that you're going to be sending out to a new subscriber will, as I say, go out daily, but there will be a specific sequence of emails where you're sort of using your skill as a marketer to bring them into your world so that, they become sort of a possible customer for you. But you also become an authority for them because you're giving them a certain amount of education on marketing, and you're giving them an insight into how you live and what you're about as a person. But also you're telling them more about the products in your funnel. Now, when I say you can get to know these people, you're obviously not going to be their best friend, so don't even try to be. But you can evolve a relationship with them which has a degree of relevance to them, because you can become a very special person to them if you're offering them the right products to solve the problems that they have in their lives, whether it's in health, finance, or relationships, or any other field. you just got to be smart enough to keep them on board, reading and being interested in what you're offering them. Now, it just so happens that the stuff I'm involved in at the moment, which is something called the 30-day challenge, there are sort of a sequence of 33 emails, I think, that go with the initial subscription that are there in a sequence that take the new subscriber to various different webinars as well as free products. It's a fairly involved email sequence. And you can get to that by following a link I'm going to give you for a free product about making money online called Exposing the Myth. You'll also get a URL to a traffic PDF, but the main subject I'm talking to you today is about this lead magnet, about exposing the myth of how you can and you can't make money online, and how easy it is and how easy it isn't. And it may be worth your while, either if you're just setting out wanting to learn more about making money online, or whether you've got so far but you need a push in the right direction, because this will take you straight into a sales funnel I'm promoting from Internet Profits, which will then take you to a free product called the Affiliate Marketer's Playbook, which is well worth having because it can tell you about getting traffic in the present age and making it work for you, and then taking you into various webinars which again are free, that you can go and listen to, so that you can have a leg up into Dean Holland's high-end funnel if you so desire. Anyway, if you feel like this is for you, then get the free product listed below. Also, get the free product on traffic. Give this video a like or subscribe to my channel so that you can get the next video. And if you feel like saying something, then leave a comment below. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.